Metro Bank are one of the latest lenders to join the challenger banks in the UK. These are the lenders who have come in to challenge the traditional high street names. Metro Bank arrived in 2010, the first bank to be granted a banking licence in 150 years by the UK regulator. They're very, very good at their media profile, and they've got a very innovative brand and a fresh approach to UK banking. As far as their lending proposition is concerned, they very much look at things on a case-by-case basis, which should be music to the ears of contractors. So the way they look at contractors specifically is point number one, there is no tax structure such as payroll companies or umbrella services that are ruled out in their entirety. So limited companies, limited liability partnerships are okay as well. What they look for is an audit trail for the income via the bank statements, and the way they do that is look to see that the gross contract value translates into the business bank account or indeed into the personal bank account if you use a payroll company. In terms of their criteria, they will annualise the latest 12 months contract rates over a 46-week period to allow for annual leave and the odd break between contracts, and everything else is looked at pretty much on a case-by-case basis. Key things to be aware of is you need a minimum deposit of 15%, but that also applies to new build flats, which is better than most of their competitors. They also do buy-to-let, again very competitive products, quite generous rental requirements, and finally the one thing to be aware of is if you do take a mortgage with Metro Bank, you need to pay that mortgage payment from a Metro Bank account, which they will set up for you when you open up your mortgage account. So we look forward to seeing how the relationship with Metro Bank will develop over coming years, but early indications are that their underwriting is sensible, and they could be a very significant player in the contract and mortgage space.